Hey everyone, welcome back to the Finance Pro Tips channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic for anyone looking to take control of their finances: how to create your first budget. Whether you're fresh out of school, starting a new job, or just want to get a handle on your spending, this guide is for you. So, let's get started. Rule number 1. Understand your income. The first step in creating a budget is understanding your income. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to know exactly how much money you have coming in each month. This includes your salary, any freelance work, side gigs, or other sources of income. Make sure to calculate your net income, the amount you take home after taxes and other deductions. For example, if your salary is $3,000 a month, but after taxes and deductions you bring home $2,500, then your net income is $2,500. This is the amount you should base your budget on. Now, some of you might have irregular income, especially if you're a freelancer or have multiple side gigs. In that case, it's helpful to average your income over the past few months to get a realistic figure to work with. If your income fluctuates significantly, it's best to use a conservative estimate to avoid overspending. Rule number 2. Track your expenses. Next, you need to track your expenses. This is probably the most eye-opening part of the budgeting process. Start by writing down every single expense for a month. Yes, I mean everything from your rent or mortgage payment to that cup of coffee you grab on your way to work. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. The key is to categorize your spending. Common categories include housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, dining out, entertainment, and savings. Tracking your expenses helps you see exactly where your money is going and can often reveal surprising spending patterns. To make this easier, save all your receipts, and at the end of each day, record what you spent. Alternatively, many banks and credit card companies offer tools that automatically categorize your spending for you. Rule number 3. Categorize your expenses. Once you've tracked your expenses for a month, it's time to categorize them. This helps you see where your money is going and identify areas where you might be overspending. Here are some common categories: housing, rent/mortgage, utilities, electricity, water, internet, groceries, transportation, gas, public transit, car maintenance, dining out, entertainment, movies, subscriptions, savings, miscellaneous, everything else. You might be surprised to find out how much you're spending in certain areas. For instance, those daily coffee runs can add up to a significant amount over a month. Categorizing your expenses also helps you prioritize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember to also account for non-monthly expenses, like annual insurance premiums, holiday gifts, or car maintenance. Spread these costs throughout the year to avoid any budget surprises. Rule number 4. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is a crucial part of budgeting. These goals will guide your spending and savings decisions. Your goals can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Be specific with your goals. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a goal like, "I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund within the next year." Break your goals down into manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $5,000 in a year, that means you'll need to save approximately $417 each month. It's also important to prioritize your goals. You might have multiple goals, but not all of them are equally urgent. Decide which ones are most important to you and focus on those first. This could be paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a major purchase. Having clear, prioritized goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Rule number 5. Make a plan. Now that you know your income, expenses, and financial goals, it's time to make a plan. Start by subtracting your total expenses from your net income. If you have money left over, great. You can allocate that towards your financial goals. If your expenses exceed your income, you'll need to look for areas to cut back. Let's say your net income is $2,500, and your expenses are $2,200. That leaves you with $300 that you can allocate towards your financial goals, like building an emergency fund or paying off debt. To make your plan, start by listing all your fixed expenses. These are expenses that are the same every month, like rent, utilities, and car payments. Then list your variable expenses, which can fluctuate month to month, like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Finally, allocate any remaining money towards your savings and financial goals. If your expenses are higher than your income, don't worry. Look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe you can cook at home more often instead of eating out, or find cheaper alternatives for your entertainment. The key is to find a balance that works for you and helps you move towards your financial goals. Rule number 6. Implement and adjust. Creating a budget is just the beginning. The real work is in sticking to it. Track your spending throughout the month to make sure you're staying on budget. If you find that you've underestimated an expense or something unexpected comes up, don't be afraid to adjust your budget. Your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate life surprises, but strict enough to keep you on track to meet your goals. For example, if you overspend on groceries one month, try to cut back on dining out or entertainment to make up for it. There are several tools and apps available that can help you track your spending and stick to your budget. Some popular options include Mint, In-App You Need a Budget, and Every Dollar. These tools can link to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically track your spending, and help you stay on budget. Rules number 7. Review regularly. Finally, review your budget regularly. This could be monthly, quarterly, or even annually. Regular reviews will help you see your progress, make necessary adjustments, and stay motivated. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Meeting your financial goals is a journey, and every step forward is a win. If you find that certain categories are consistently over or under budget, adjust them accordingly. Your budget should evolve with your financial situation and goals. And don't forget to reward yourself for sticking to your budget. This doesn't mean splurging on something extravagant, but small rewards can help keep you motivated. Maybe treat yourself to a nice dinner or a movie night after a month of successful budgeting. And there you have it. Those are the basic steps to creating your first budget. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances, reduce stress, and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video Finance Pro Tips channel video to grow your wealth.